Okay, we're gonna walk through how to create the transition here to go from the working part of the tool, whether it be a bottom block or a cutoff, any tool that would fit in your Hardie hole, how to create this transition here coming from here at the shoulder, and to draw this out. And you can use a few different tools to do this. You'll definitely need a side set that you can go around all four sides of your bar first, which I've already done a little bit. And then after you do that, you're gonna have to draw out that part a little bit under the hammer, and then you can use your V-block to draw the shank out. And then if you have to size it and make this shoulder crisper, you can either use a Swedge block or a block independent of a Swedge block that you can put underneath the hammer, or drop it in the Hardie hole of your anvil. As I said, I've already created that transition with the side set to cut down on the time of the video. Now I need to draw this out a little bit before I put it in the V-block. You can see that puts a nice, crisp, sharp transition on that shoulder using a side set and your V tool. And like I said, if you need to upset that top a little bit, you can use a block that's independent of your Swedge block, but I would have to cut that off or put a bolster underneath to make this work. Otherwise it's too long to put in here. Or you make another one of these that's taller. Or you put it in your Hardie hole.